Last weekend, the Fluffy Dragons came together as a whole unit for their 4th prep camp. They had an amazing weekend with lots of activities, from creating a blister to a disco. We received a lovely video message from Hannah Kentish, the UK Youth Commissioner.
Hey guys, this is a message for the Fluffy Dragons. My name's Hannah, I'm the UK Youth Commissioner for the Scouts, and congratulations on being selected for the World Scout Jamboree. Have an amazing weekend and make sure you're building those skills to take away to the Jamboree and bring lots of experiences back to even more young people in your area.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. We got troubles, I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do. Stick together, see it through. 'Cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to find out more about our adventures to Jamboree and follow our story, or if you want to be part of our story, give us a like on Facebook, a follow on Twitter, or subscribe down below.